Hello and welcome everybody. Welcome to tradingteacher.in. I am Anand Gyanbote recording this audio in video in English language for my foreign friends. So www.tradingteacher.in. In the last episode we have learned about the hammer pattern, hammer candlestick pattern, and this is episode number 4. If you are not already seen that episode number 3, in that we have studied about hammer, then you should watch that video. Watch our previous video which is based on hammer candlestick pattern. In this pattern we are going to learn about inverted hammer and pin bar. So in this image I have put one hammer here, but this is exactly reverse the hammer. So if this appears in, or if this forms in the chart, so what is the meaning of this inverted hammer and pin bar? I will show it in the next session, and how to interpret the market condition according to this we are going to explain in the next. Before we have already studied about dozy, hammer and hanging man. In this episode we are studying in inverted hammer or pin bar. So how it looks like and what are the market conditions and what are the representations of inverted hammer we are going to see. So inverted hammer is also called as shooting star, means the name is same, the candlestick appears the same, but names are different. Inverted hammer appears in downtrend and shooting star appears in uptrend. Looking same but meaning is different and name is different. I am going to explain here. You can see here the market, if the market current trend is uptrend, here I have written the current market trend is uptrend, and if in uptrend it forms the inverted hammer pattern, we are calling it as a shooting star. Means you can assume this, the market is going like this and the candlestick formed like here, we are calling it as a shooting star. After this shooting star is formed, the market can go downwards. Okay, color doesn't matter. If the color red, then market can fall very fastly, and if the color is green, then market can fall very slowly. Okay, if the current trend is uptrend and it found like this, then market can go downwards. I will show it in later in the chart, but you should think about what is the current trend and what is the current pattern. Okay friends, we are going ahead. Hammer or shooting star, here we are calling it as a shooting star or inverted hammer. If it founds in downtrend, we are calling it as a inverted hammer. If the current trend is downtrend and if the following current form candle like this, then market can go upside. Means what is the current trend? If it is downtrend, then the current candle was formed like this, then we are calling it as the inverted hammer. And if it founds in uptrend, if assume it is current trend is uptrend and the candlestick form is shooting star, then market can go downwards. Okay friends, this is very simple. If you are not understood, then you can watch this video. You can watch this video once again 2 or 3 times. If you are not understanding, I am going to explain here once again. If the current trend is downtrend and the pattern was forming like this, then market can go upside. And if the current trend is downtrend, uptrend, if this form, the market can go downside. Okay friends, I will show it in example. Inverted hammer, the current trend is downtrend, market is falling here, and this pattern, the bullish reversal pattern was formed inverted hammer. We are calling this as a inverted hammer. This is the inverted hammer pattern, and this is also shooting star. It is looking the same. Color doesn't matter. Color matters a lot. If the current trend is downtrend, all the candles are red, and this found in green color, then market can go upside. And the current trend is up, market is rising, and in this rising market this pattern is formed. Which pattern? Shooting star pattern. Then market can fall. Okay friends, this is about the hammer and shooting star. Now in the next, about the pin bar. Pin bar is also look like hammer, but it has wicks, small wicks, more wicks on the top and bottom, and this body is very small as compared to the hammer pattern. You can look here, this is the hammer and this is the pin bar. Okay, the body is relatively small, and this is also important candlestick. According to this we are going to take trading decisions. Okay friends, this is pin bar. We have already studied about this. This is the hanging man candle, and these are the pin bars. Okay, if this pattern formed here in downtrend, then market can go up, and if this pattern found in uptrend, then market can fall very fastly. If the color is red, then market can fall fastly. If the color is green, then market will go like this and may up. There is no any decisions like this. If the color matters a lot, you have to think about the colors. I will show it in live chart later. So this is the example on pin bar. The current trend is up, and in uptrend we are found the pin bar, and the market is falling, and the current trend is down. We are following the bullish pin bar here, and market will rising. This is very simple. If you are not understanding, then you should watch this video 2 or 3 times. Right? Okay. Now we are going to the live chart. To open the live chart, visit our website www.tradingteacher.in/chart.html. I have already opened the site here. Here our site is there. I am going to show our site's home page. This is our home page. In here you have to find live chart here. You have to click on this live chart button. After clicking on this button, you will get a chart. By default it opens the NSE ACC symbol. You can look for any symbol, and I am going to close this MACD indicator and this RSI indicator here. Now we have to find the pin bar and hammer patterns and inverted hammer. Okay, so here we got the pin bar. This is the pin bar, and the current trend is downtrend. What we have learned previous, the current trend is downtrend, and downtrend, if the pin bar occurs, then market can go upwards. The market the same does here. Market has gone upside, but it is not sustained here, and after that the next formation was found like a shooting star. Then shooting star is a very strong candle, and market has fallen. Okay, how many points? From 1462 to 1291 points. Okay, so what is this pattern? This is a hammer pattern. In the episode number 3 we have already learned about this. If you have not seen that episode number 3, you should watch that episode number 3. Okay friends, now we are going to search the pin bar and hammer pattern, inverted hammer. Where you can find here, this is the inverted hammer. The current trend is downtrend, and the current downtrend we have found the inverted hammer, and after this the market has rising. Okay, look here, the current trend was uptrend, and in uptrend we have found here the inverted hammer. This is not inverted hammer, this is a shooting star. In the shooting star, what it does, the market will fall. Look how many points has fallen after this shooting star pattern. Shooting star is very strong while in bullish reversal pattern. Look here, it is also a doji. This is doji, the doji episode number 1. I have explained about doji in episode number 1. So you can find these patterns and you should learn about, means what, you have to find the shooting star and inverted hammer. You have to find inverted hammer in downtrend, you have to find shooting star in uptrend. Okay, this we will look the inverted hammer, but most of the time the inverted hammer was not found generally, but shooting star are most found in the charts. This is a 1-day chart, this is a 1-day candle. If you are finding these patterns in 3-minute chart or 5-minute chart, that is not that way that we can predict the market. You can find the patterns like this. Look here, this is current trend is downtrend, and this downtrend the inverted hammer was formed here and the market is rising, and after that day, after some 2 or 3 days, here we are finding 2 shooting star and market has fallen here. Look here, means if we found the shooting star in uptrend, then market will fall exactly like this. I have already shown here. Look here, the current trend is uptrend and market is falling. Similarly, here we are found that current trend is uptrend, and market has fallen here. Okay friends, this is very simple, but if you are not understood, then you should watch this video again. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, then you can ask to me on this email address tradingteacher2016@gmail.com. We are also on tradingteacher.in and we are also on Facebook, Trading Teacher 2016. You should search about Trading Teacher 2016 and you can email us, and you should get a friend request to me. I will accept it for next updates, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for next videos. And if you have any questions, then you can also comment on this video below section. I will reply you there, and you can also directly contact me on this number. And also I have forgotten to say that I am going to give 2 intraday calls 1 day before. So here on our website, calls menu is there. You can click here, tomorrow's call. This page was updated daily. Here I am recommending 2 calls for next day, and you can watch this performance, and there are golden rules for these calls. Here you should read these rules for taking trades, and you should watch our performance page, what happened to these calls. I am updating it daily. Here you can find this remark section, what is happened. Most of our targets are hitting. You can look here, and you can also verify here, but after clicking on verify, the date should be current date, or if you are looking for this call, then you should select the date manually in historical data for this. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye from tradingteacher.in. Comment, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye from tradingteacher.in. We are coming back with the next episode, number 5, that is on bullish engulfing. Okay friends, bye bye.